There's a guy that wants to buy tickets.
Go ahead, Deb, get in there.
I can't, I got food.
Give me our food.
Ryan, my aunt's all back to pick this up.
Tomorrow, aren't we? Uh-oh. All right, everybody dial up here. You can't see this, it's electric. And you know it's fair. Now here, there, and everywhere. Change the words, I'm sure. They're very organized in here. You see this? And a big hand for the gentlemen up here. We'd love to see the guys up here. That's right. You can't see this. It's electric. You've got to hear this. It's electric. You got to show it. It's electric. And you know it's fair. I think they pulled a trick on you. Here, there, and everywhere. I get to move. I'll never take you on a party ride. Yes, I will teach you, teach you, teach you. Yes, teach you the electric slide. You don't want to lose.